Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to uppercase all letters or how to capitalize all letters in Excel. Okay, this is very easy. You can easily uppercase all the letters or capitalize all the letters or all the names, or you can also small letter or lowercase. Okay, so first I will show you how to uppercase it. So what you have to do, you have to just press equal to, then you have to enter upper. Okay, then bracket open. Now select the cell which you want to uppercase. Okay, then close and now enter. Okay, you will see it is all the letters will be in uppercase. Now what you have to do, you have to drag and everything will be in uppercase. Okay, now how to lowercase, so you have to just click on equal to, then lower. Okay, like this. Now just drag, so like this you can uppercase and lowercase in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.